Want a custom ringtone? In 60 seconds I'll show you how to set a voice memo as your ringtone in iOS 26. Quick steps: save the memo, import to GarageBand, export as a ringtone, then select it in Settings. Open Voice Memos and tap the recording you want. Trim the clip if needed, tap Edit, drag the handles, then tap Done. Tap the three dots, choose Share, then Save to Files and pick iCloud Drive. Open Files to confirm your memo is saved as an audio file. Open GarageBand and create a new audio recorder project. Tap Tracks View, then import from Files and select your memo. Trim the song to under 30 seconds by pinching and dragging the region edges. Tap the project name, choose Share, then Ringtone, and give it a name. Export completes, GarageBand will install the ringtone for use in Settings. Open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone, and select your new ringtone. Recap: save, import, export, select. Try it now!